I am the guy that took a long time to accept the mouse. I was okay with the computer initially. It was just a more advanced version of the typewriter. I loved the typewriter. It made rattling sounds. The computer is quiet and soft. I still make it rattle because I belong to the typewriter generation. Then they introduced the mouse and I was upset. Now I am okay with the mouse. Just when we were done with this mind-boggling and unending innovation, in came artificial intelligence, or AI. It got so much interesting review that I did not know whether to embrace or reject it. They said AI has a capacity to do both good and bad things. So far, I am experiencing the positive side of AI. For starters, I am not happy about us humans referring to AI as artificial intelligence. If its intelligence is artificial, then our intelligence is also artificial, because AI is a mirror of our own intelligence, or what goes on inside our heads by way of quality of thoughts as projected in what we write, say, document, and flight. Personally, I would be more comfortable with referring to AI as automated intelligence. I think AI mere provides an automated reflection on any subject matter. Automated precisely because its origin is the human brain and mind, which generates thinking and what we refer to as intelligence. The word artificial may have negative connotations. It may imply superficiality or lack of authenticity. I find AI to be totally authentic. It synthesizes, summarizes, and interprets information in a seamless and accessible manner, let alone speed and convenience. AI standardizes the human experience. It is authentic. It is not artificial. There is a difference between automation and artificial. It is about self-propelling intelligence. Human beings use standardized intelligence, which is very original, and it comes from reasoning or visions and even innate capacity to generate knowledge through gifting. That takes time to express itself. AI collects that authentic experience and presents it to us efficiently or swiftly. My experience of AI so far has been positive and useful. The only problem I have with AI is that it defies academic protocol. I find it problematic that AI does not recognize the source of its information. That's the only drawback I see. However, Google has a way of causing the algorithm to gravitate towards the works of original writers who could have been the original source of the subject matter that AI seems to own up. I kind of respect that. I may be a typewriter generation, but I have survived the introduction of the computer, the mouse, and now AI. I got exposed to the concept of thought transference through spirituality, but I can't confidently say I have had a friend who lives far from me to whom I have sent my thoughts through deep concentration or transcendental meditation. Thought transference is just a concept that sounds probable, but AI is practical, and it happens in real time. Automated intelligence is a useful tool for humanity. Journalists, researchers, academics, writers, innovators, creative and astute business people must be finding AI to be an ally in their various business pursuits.